Choose fresh ingredients to prepare delicious dishes. Use fresh herbs to enhance flavors in cooking. Freeze herbs in olive oil for later use. Use white vinegar to clean cutting boards. Dry meat with flour to improve texture during cooking. Use a wooden spoon to stir food in the pot. Add salt to water to prevent eggs from cracking. Freezing butter makes it easier to cut. Cakes become flaky when using hot water. Store honey in a cool place to keep it liquid. Clean the microwave with diluted vinegar and water. Use lemon to polish stainless steel cookware. Browning onions naturally enhances flavors. Take meats out of the fridge an hour before cooking. Use yogurt to marinate meat to make it tender.